Competitive analysis of international laboratories and biosecurity protocols post-2023, predictions for market leaders by 2027. Overview. The global landscape for biologics safety testing and biosecurity protocols has seen substantial shifts following the events of 2023. This report synthesizes findings from various market analyses to project trends, drivers, challenges, and opportunities that will shape the sector until 2027. The biologics safety testing market, valued at $3.9 billion in 2023, is expected to reach $7.2 billion by 2029, with a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 11.1%. This growth is largely fueled by advancements in monoclonal antibodies, mAbs, biosimilars, and next-generation therapeutics. Market growth and projections. Current and future valuation. The growth trajectory of the biologics safety testing market is impressive. 2023, market valued at $3.9 billion. 2024, projected growth to $4.2 billion. 2029, expected to reach $7.2 billion. This growth is attributed to several factors, including increased regulatory scrutiny, a rising demand for advanced treatments, and the growing development of biologics. Key drivers of growth. 1. Development of mAbs and biosimilars. The approval of several biosimilars like Tyenne and Jubbonti in 2023 has spurred a demand for rigorous safety testing, ensuring product quality and patient safety. The market is witnessing a surge in mAb therapeutics, particularly for oncology and autoimmune diseases. 2. Focus on advanced therapies. The emergence of complex therapies such as gene therapies and personalized medicine has heightened the need for comprehensive safety testing procedures, which further supports market growth. 3. Increased R&D investments. Substantial investments in research and development, particularly in North America and the Asia-Pacific, are driving innovations in biologics safety testing. Challenges facing the market. Despite the positive growth outlook, several challenges need to be addressed. 1. Ethical concerns about animal testing. The increasing scrutiny of animal testing practices has led to calls for alternative testing methods. This ethical dilemma could pose a significant obstacle to market growth. 2. Complexity and heterogeneity of biologics. The diverse nature of biologics, characterized by complex post-translational modifications, complicates safety testing protocols. Variability in product quality and efficacy can hinder consistent testing outcomes. Regional insights. North America. North America remains the largest market for biologics safety testing, attributed to its significant R&D expenditure, established healthcare infrastructure, high demand for advanced therapies. Asia-Pacific. The Asia-Pacific region is anticipated to experience the highest CAGR, driven by increased demand for biosimilars, growing research activities in biotechnology, recent developments and innovations. Recent innovations reflect a shift towards ethical and efficient testing methods. Animal-free testing solutions. Companies like Charles River Laboratories have introduced animal-free testing solutions catering to ethical concerns in the industry. Collaborations in gene therapy. Partnerships such as LabCorp's collaboration with Forge Biologics are enhancing capabilities in drug development and manufacturing for gene therapy. Common themes and differences in market analysis. Both market analyses emphasize the critical growth potential in biologics safety testing, particularly highlighting the roles of mAbs, biosimilars, and next-generation therapies. However, while one source focuses heavily on quantifiable market figures and growth rates, the other integrates ethical considerations and technological advancements, providing a more comprehensive view of the sector's evolution. Timeline of key events. 2023, the market is valued at $3.9 billion. showing signs of significant growth. 2024, projected to reach $4.2 billion driven by new therapeutic approvals. 2029, expected valuation of $7.2 billion reflecting increased focus on safety amid ethical concerns. Conclusion. The competitive landscape for biologics safety testing and biosecurity protocols is characterized by rapid growth fueled by innovation and ethical considerations. The integration of advanced testing methodologies will be pivotal for market leaders navigating challenges in this evolving landscape. By 2027, companies that prioritize both technological advancements and ethical practices will likely emerge as market leaders, effectively addressing the complexities inherent in biologics safety testing. Key market players. Leading players in the biologics safety testing market include Thermo Fisher Scientific Inc., Merck KGaA, Lonza, Charles River Laboratories, LabCorp. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, focusing on developing solutions that align with market demands and ethical standards. Future considerations. As the biologics safety testing market continues to grow, stakeholders will need to focus on sustainable practices, emphasizing alternatives to animal testing and enhancing ethical standards. Technological advancements, investing in automation and advanced detection methods to improve efficiency and accuracy. Collaboration and partnerships, engaging in strategic alliances to bolster capabilities in drug development and manufacturing. In summary, the biologics safety testing and biosecurity protocols market is poised for significant evolution through 2027, driven by innovations and a strong ethical framework. The competitive analysis of international laboratories and biosecurity protocols post-2023 reveals some counterintuitive insights that challenge conventional wisdom about market dynamics and growth trajectories in the biologics safety testing sector. 1. Market growth amid ethical concerns. Traditionally, one might expect that ethical concerns, particularly regarding animal testing, would significantly hinder market growth. However, the report suggests that the market is projected to grow robustly despite these concerns. This indicates a paradox where ethical scrutiny is prompting innovation in testing methodologies. Companies are increasingly investing in alternative testing methods which may offer new revenue streams and growth opportunities rather than stifling progress. 2. Asia-Pacific's emerging dominance. While North America has historically been the leader in biologics safety testing due to its established R&D infrastructure, the Asia-Pacific region is predicted to experience the highest compound annual growth rate (CAGR). This challenges the assumption that established markets are always the fastest growing. The rapid advancements in biotechnology in Asia alongside rising demands for biosimilars highlight a shift in competitive advantage towards regions that are often seen as emerging rather than established players. 3. Complexity as a driver of demand. The increasing complexity of biologics such as monoclonal antibodies and gene therapies is typically viewed as a challenge that could slow down market growth. However, the report indicates that this complexity is actually driving demand for safety testing services. This counterintuitive notion suggests that as products become more intricate, the need for rigorous testing to ensure safety and efficacy becomes even more critical, thus creating a larger market for testing services. For technological advancements versus ethical practices, the rise of advanced technologies in testing such as automated systems and animal-free testing solutions could be seen as a response to ethical concerns about traditional animal testing. However, these advancements not only address ethical issues but also enhance the efficiency and accuracy of testing processes. This dual benefit challenges the idea that ethical considerations and technological progress are at odds. Instead, they can be complementary forces driving market evolution. 5. Investment in next-generation therapies. It is commonly believed that established therapies dominate the market. But the findings emphasize a significant shift towards next-generation therapeutics such as gene and cell therapies. This indicates a broader trend where traditional markets are being disrupted by innovative products. The focus on these advanced therapies suggests that companies need to adapt quickly to remain competitive, challenging the notion that long-standing products are more secure in their market position. 6. Global collaborations as growth catalysts. The report highlights various collaborations between companies to enhance their capabilities in biologics safety testing and development. This suggests a counterintuitive trend where competition is not the only way to gain market share. Strategic partnerships can also lead to significant growth. The pooling of resources and expertise can accelerate innovation and market entry, contrasting with the traditional view of companies operating in silos to maintain competitive advantages. In summary, the competitive landscape for biologics safety testing and biosecurity protocols is shaped by several counterintuitive trends. Ethical concerns are driving innovation rather than stifling growth. Emerging markets are surpassing established ones. Complexity is enhancing demand. Technological advancements are addressing ethical dilemmas, and collaborations are becoming essential for success. These insights provide a nuanced understanding of how the market will evolve through 2027, offering strategic implications for current and future market leaders. The report on the competitive analysis of international laboratories and biosecurity protocols highlights several critical aspects of the biologics safety testing market that many readers might overlook. Here are some significant points and their implications. 1. Ethical concerns about animal testing. While the report mentions ethical concerns regarding animal testing, it does not fully delve into the implications of these ethical considerations on market dynamics. The ongoing societal debate about animal welfare could lead to more stringent regulations and a push for alternative testing methods. As public awareness increases, companies that fail to adapt to these ethical standards may face reputational damage and loss of market share. This shift could catalyze innovations in vitro testing methods and computational models, which might become essential for compliance and acceptance in the market. 2. Complexity and heterogeneity of biologics. The report notes the complexities involved in biologics, including post-translational modifications and batch-to-batch variability. However, it does not emphasize how this complexity can lead to significant challenges in quality control and regulatory compliance. The ability to consistently produce biologics that meet safety and efficacy standards is critical. Companies must invest in advanced analytics and quality assurance processes to mitigate these risks. Those that successfully navigate these complexities will likely emerge as market leaders. 3. Regional disparities in market growth. While the report highlights North America as the current leader in the biologics safety testing market, it also points to the Asia-Pacific region as a high-growth area. This is significant as it indicates a shift in where research and development activities are occurring. Companies looking to expand their market presence should consider strategic partnerships and investments in emerging markets. Ignoring these regional opportunities could result in missed chances for growth, especially as countries in the Asia-Pacific increase their investments in biotechnology. 4. Next-generation therapeutics. The mention of next-generation therapeutics such as gene therapies and personalized medicine is crucial. However, the report only hints at the broader implications of these therapies on the market. The complexity of these treatments necessitates sophisticated testing protocols, which could open new avenues for service providers who innovate in testing methodologies. Companies that can offer cutting-edge solutions for these advanced therapies will be well positioned to capture significant market share. 5. Impact of regulatory changes. The report does not elaborate on the potential impact of evolving regulatory frameworks on market dynamics. Regulatory bodies are increasingly focusing on safety and efficacy in biologics testing, which could lead to longer approval times and increased costs. Companies must stay ahead of regulatory trends to ensure compliance. Those that proactively engage with regulators and adapt to changing requirements will likely have a competitive advantage. 6. Collaborations and partnerships. Recent collaborations such as LabCorp with Forge Biologics illustrate a trend toward partnerships in the industry. However, the report does not fully explore how these strategic alliances can enhance innovation and accelerate market entry for new testing solutions. Collaborative efforts can lead to shared knowledge, reduced R&D costs, and improved product offerings. Companies that actively seek partnerships can leverage complementary strengths to drive growth. 7. Technological advancements. The report touches on technological innovations but does not detail how these advancements can disrupt traditional testing methods. Automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are revolutionizing the testing landscape, improving efficiency and accuracy. Companies that adopt these technologies early will gain a significant competitive edge. The failure to embrace technological change could result in obsolescence in a rapidly evolving market. 8. Market fragmentation and competition. Lastly, the report mentions key players in the market but does not discuss market fragmentation and the potential for new entrants. The biologics safety testing market is highly competitive with numerous players vying for market share. Emerging technologies and the rise of small biotech firms can disrupt established companies. Understanding competitive dynamics and being prepared for disruption is essential for long-term success. In summary, while the report provides a comprehensive overview of the biologics safety testing market, it is essential to pay attention to overlooked aspects such as ethical considerations, regional market dynamics, the complexity of biologics regulatory impacts, and the importance of technological advancements. These factors will shape the future landscape of the market and influence which companies ultimately succeed. Companies that recognize and adapt to these nuances will be better positioned to thrive in the evolving biologics safety testing landscape by 2027. 1. Market growth and projections. The biologics safety testing market is on a significant growth trajectory, expected to rise from $3.9 billion in 2023 to $7.2 billion by 2029, with a CAGR of 11.1%. This growth is largely driven by the increasing development of monoclonal antibodies, mAbs, and biosimilars, alongside heightened regulatory scrutiny and demand for advanced therapeutics. The Asia-Pacific region is predicted to lead this growth due to rising research activities and demand for biologics. 2. Key drivers and ethical challenges. The development of mAbs and biosimilars serves as a primary driver for market growth, necessitating stringent safety testing to ensure product quality. However, ethical concerns regarding animal testing pose a significant challenge, prompting a shift towards alternative testing methods. This tension between innovative therapeutic developments and ethical practices will be crucial for future market dynamics. 3. Regional insights and market dynamics. North America currently dominates the biologics safety testing market, buoyed by substantial R&D investments and a robust healthcare framework. In contrast, the Asia-Pacific region is emerging as a key growth area, driven by increasing demand for biosimilars. The competitive landscape is characterized by collaborations and technological advancements such as animal-free testing solutions, reflecting a move towards more humane and efficient testing methodologies. 4. Recent innovations and future implications. Ongoing innovations, including partnerships like LabCorp's collaboration with Forge Biologics for gene therapy, underscore the need for integrated approaches to safety testing and product development. The emphasis on next-generation therapeutics, complex treatments that require extensive safety evaluations, will shape market strategies and determine the competitiveness of key players by 2027. The integration of ethical considerations and advancements in testing methodologies will be pivotal for navigating future challenges in the biologics safety testing landscape. Here are 3 famous historical cases that relate to the themes of biosecurity safety testing and the ethical considerations surrounding scientific research. 1. Tuskegee syphilis study, 1932 to 1972. The Tuskegee syphilis study was a controversial clinical study conducted by the U.S. Public Health Service where African American men diagnosed with syphilis were misled into thinking they were receiving free healthcare from the government. The study lasted for 40 years without the participants' informed consent, as researchers aimed to observe the natural progression of untreated syphilis. This unethical research raised significant bioethics concerns and highlighted the importance of informed consent in clinical studies. It led to the establishment of stricter ethical standards and regulations for medical research, including the requirement for institutional review boards (IRBs) and informed consent protocols to protect participants. 2. The anthrax vaccine controversy 1990s to 2000s. In the late 1990s, the U.S. military mandated the anthrax vaccine for service members, especially those deployed to areas with a risk of biological warfare. The vaccine was developed rapidly in response to perceived threats, leading to significant controversy regarding its safety and efficacy. Many military personnel reported adverse reactions and concerns about the lack of comprehensive safety testing and transparency about potential side effects emerged. This case brought attention to biosecurity protocols, prompting discussions on the ethical implications of mandatory vaccinations and the need for rigorous safety testing, particularly in contexts involving potential bioterrorism threats. 3. The development and testing of the polio vaccine 1950s. The development of the polio vaccine by Dr. Jonas Salk marked a significant advancement in public health. However, during the initial testing phases there were concerns about the safety of the vaccine. In 1955, the Cutter incident occurred when a batch of the vaccine manufactured by Cutter Laboratories contained live poliovirus, resulting in paralysis in several children. The incident led to a heightened focus on biologics safety testing and regulatory oversight. In response, the U.S. government established more stringent testing protocols and regulatory frameworks to ensure the safety and efficacy of vaccines, highlighting the critical importance of biosecurity in public health interventions. These cases illustrate the evolving landscape of bioethics and biosecurity, demonstrating the necessity for ethical considerations and rigorous safety testing in the field of biological research and therapeutics. Future outlook: competitive analysis of international laboratories and biosecurity protocols post-2023. The global landscape for biologics safety testing and biosecurity protocols is on the brink of transformative changes as we approach 2027. With a projected market growth from $3.9 billion in 2023 to $7.2 billion by 2029, the biologics safety testing market is poised for a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 11.1%. This growth is being driven by several key factors, including the development of monoclonal antibodies, mAbs, biosimilars, and advanced therapeutic modalities, alongside increasing regulatory scrutiny and ethical considerations surrounding testing methods. Market dynamics and key drivers. 1. Development of mAbs and biosimilars. As new mAbs and biosimilars gain approval, the demand for stringent safety testing will intensify. The approval of products like Tyenne and Jubbonti in 2023 exemplifies this trend. The ongoing innovation in this space will likely lead to higher market valuations as the need for comprehensive testing protocols expands. 2. Focus on advanced therapies. The rise of complex therapeutics such as gene therapies and personalized medicine necessitates enhanced safety testing frameworks. This complexity drives demand for sophisticated testing services capable of addressing the unique safety challenges posed by these products. 3. Regional growth trends. The Asia-Pacific region is expected to experience the highest growth rates, fueled by increasing research activities and a burgeoning demand for biologics. North America will continue to hold the largest market share, supported by significant R&D investments and a robust healthcare infrastructure. 4. The technological innovations. Advances in testing technologies, including automation and the development of animal-free testing methods, are set to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of biologics safety testing. Notable developments such as the animal-free endotoxin testing solution from Charles River Laboratories reflect a broader industry shift toward more ethical testing practices. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite the optimistic growth outlook, several challenges persist. Ethical concerns regarding animal testing. The increasing scrutiny of animal testing practices is prompting the industry to seek alternative methods. Regulatory bodies may tighten guidelines, leading to a significant shift in testing protocols and methodologies. Complexity of biologics. Biologics are inherently diverse, and their complexity can lead to variations in safety and efficacy. This heterogeneity presents challenges in standardizing testing methods and ensuring product consistency across batches. Future market leaders and strategic positions. The competitive landscape will likely be dominated by several key players, including Thermo Fisher Scientific, Merck KGaA, and Charles River Laboratories. These companies are well positioned to leverage their extensive R&D capabilities and established market presence to capture emerging opportunities driven by technological advancements and regulatory changes. Furthermore, collaborative efforts such as partnerships between laboratories and biotech firms will be crucial for fostering innovation in testing methodologies and developing next-generation therapeutics. Companies engaged in developing advanced testing solutions will gain a competitive edge as they adapt to evolving market demands. Predictions for 2027. 1. Market valuation. The biologics safety testing market is expected to reach approximately $7.2 billion by 2029, driven by the factors outlined above. 2. Shift toward ethical practices. By 2027, a significant portion of the industry may have transitioned to animal-free testing methods, influenced by both regulatory pressures and consumer expectations. 3. Increased focus on next-generation therapies. The prevalence of advanced therapies such as CAR-T cells and RNA-based therapeutics will necessitate more rigorous testing protocols, further expanding the market. 4. Technological integration. The integration of AI and machine learning into testing processes is anticipated to enhance data analysis and improve the accuracy of safety assessments, leading to faster and more reliable testing outcomes. 5. Global collaboration. Increased collaboration among international laboratories, regulatory bodies, and biotech firms will foster a more unified approach to biosecurity protocols, enhancing global standards and practices in biologics safety testing. In conclusion, the competitive analysis of the biologics safety testing market indicates a robust growth trajectory through 2027, fueled by innovation, ethical considerations, and an evolving regulatory landscape. Companies that can effectively navigate these dynamics and commit to ethical practices will likely emerge as market leaders in this rapidly changing environment.